Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a quick tutorial of how to install Bark on your child's phone. Installing Bark on your child's iPhone in 2026 is straightforward and pretty easy to take. So you just want to go to the App Store, search up Bark Kids. After that, it will have you this one and press install. So after installing, open the app and sign in using the child account credentials provided during setup when you have your account. So right here, we have the device code that can be found in the account section of the Bark app for parents. So you just want to go in and find the account section on your Bark app for the parents of the child. And after that, you will just have to follow the prompts to enable these permissions, and they are essential for monitoring.